How to insulate your loft floor to achieve maximum insulation performance without losing valuable storage space and without the use of itchy fiberglass. In this video we are going to show you how you can turn your nasty fibrous insulated loft into a much cleaner and energy efficient space. EcoQuilt Expert has been designed to reflect 97% of radiant energy back into your home in less space than any other method. Start by removing all existing fiberglass from within the joists. Please note that fiberglass can cause irritation to skin and lungs, and a protective mask and gloves are recommended. EcoQuilt Expert is a highly reflective 6-layer multifoil insulation. The product is 6mm when compressed and is equivalent to around 100mm of fiberglass. Simply start by measuring the joists. You will need to cater for slightly more material as we are recessing the first layer in between the joist. You can then roll out the EcoQuilt and can easily be cut with a sharp pair of scissors. Then staple down the EcoQuilt on top of the first joist. Push the insulation down into the side of the joist and hold in place with a 25mm batten. Staple in place the EcoQuilt, and this will ensure the insulation is approximately halfway down the joist. Now repeat this across the whole of the joists. The result is you have created a radiant air gap between the plasterboard below and the insulation. The importance of this will be explained shortly. Brush the wall to remove as much dust as possible. You can now fully tape and seal the perimeter with Thermoseal foil joining tape to make a fully sealed insulation blanket. Thermoseal is also used to seal joints where the next section starts. If you are just requiring a single layer, you can then install your loft boards. What you will have created here is a radiant barrier that will reflect all the heat back into your home while also reflecting the cold away. In this clip we are going to show you how a double layer of EcoQuilt can be installed. This will trap warm air within the two layers and help significantly stop any cold bridging. Start by stapling a second layer directly over the original layer. Instead of recessing the quilt this time, we are going to pull it taut so an air gap is still present between the two layers. Again, tape and seal using Thermoseal foil tape. Now 25mm battens can be installed directly over the insulation to accept the loft boards. You can order the loft floor insulation kit in any size to suit your loft, which would include EcoQuilt Expert, Thermoseal foil joining tape, and a heavy-duty staple gun and 5,000 staples at the lowest online prices. EcoQuilt is also designed for under rafters, walls, floors, conservatories, garden buildings, and many more applications. You can order online today at ecohome-insulation.com. Orders placed online are delivered carriage free to the UK mainland.